We're in the kitchen again today. We're making a very, very easy peasy lasagna. This one is going to be a very simple recipe. This is not your mama's lasagna. Don't think that is the same thing. Nope, it's going to be very different because what we're doing, we're going to make it fast because we're hungry. So we got to make it fast. So here we go. These are the ingredients. We have ground turkey, we got cheese, prego, traditional, already, lasagna, onion, garlic. Season our meat with taco seasoning. You don't have to get any special brand. This is the Great Valley brand. Easy breezy. Your meat is gonna draw water, and don't let that water out because even in this it's gonna tell you to pour more water in. Brown the meat, stir in water. It's like 2/3 cup of water. Now we're gonna put our ingredients into the bowl. We've turned the heat on, 350 in the oven. We have our Pyrex, and we're gonna put ingredients in. Ready? watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you make this lasagna, please tag me in a picture of your lasagna. It's not your mama's lasagna, I know that, but it's something you can make easy and very quick. I'm about to go and eat this now, and while I'm eating it, I'm going to be telling you a story time about what happened to me on a flight from West Africa to Paris. So if you want to hear that story, and I'm telling you, it's a doozy, y'all. It's a doozy, y'all. So if you want to hear that story, stay tuned, put your post notifications on. I will tell you that story while I'm eating this lasagna. I hope to see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.